Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Shopify. In the last video, we have create a product in the Shopify admin. Now we are going to learn how to update that product. Okay, so those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we have previously we have created a product in the Shopify. Let me comment this code right now. Okay, so now we are going to learn how to update one. Okay, so I think we need to put the update one product. So this is updating a product. Let me unopen this. Okay, and here also I required to be unopen this is update a product, and call the function to update a product like this. So here we require everything. Okay, so update a product, so here we need to pass the ID. So let's check and get the ID of this product. So copy this ID and paste it over here. So this is the ID. Which title you want to add? I will add this title, and the paragraph I have added this one. Okay, so this is the update part. So I need to put the ID, and here we have the function update a product which accepts the ID and the update parameters. So shopify.product.update will help you to update a product with product ID and updated parameters. After that, it will log that the product updated successfully with the updated product which is updated. Otherwise, it will show the error in that there is a issue in the updating. Let's try to run this, save this, go to the terminal, and let's rerun. Let's start the server. Okay, let's control C, and here we go with this one. And here you can see the product is updated. Product is updated. Let's see the title is changed or not. So currently this is sample description. This is sample one, sample product, right? So which is a previous product. Okay, let's try to reload and check. So currently there is a, I think in the hanging position, I guess this product page. Always sometimes the Shopify this module. Okay, done. Let's reload this. Okay, here we go with the, you can see the title is updated, the text is updated, right? So here you can see that. Okay, so this is how you can update a product with the help of the product ID. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.